Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Character for your lip sync. Yeah, I've done a video on how to use After Effects for lip sync. So you can imagine working on a project and you want to do a lip sync animation of like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. No, you cannot use Adobe After Effects. It's so time consuming. You will not want to go through that route. So I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Character to do your character lip sync. So let's proceed. So here we are in Adobe Character Animator. So you can achieve lip sync animation by preparing various mouth shape in Adobe Illustrator, then export it here to do your lip sync animation. But for me, this is just a quick shortcut I use mostly. I'll just come here if except probably if the character I'm working with, none of the mouth shapes here is going to fit in. But if any of the mouth shape here is going to fit in, I will just come pick a particular character and use the mouth shape. So let's work with Chloe. Okay, so now we have this character here. I need to bring in, let me just bring in any audio. Okay, import. Okay, so now we have this particular audio. So we can drag this here. So select the two layer, go to timeline, compute lip sync take from scene audio. So we'll wait for the software to do that. Okay, so for example, this particular audio that I'm using here is like 20 something minutes. So you can imagine how long it's going to take you to do a lip sync animation of 20, I can't even imagine, of 20 something minutes in After Effects. It's a lot of time. So for my lip sync animation, instead I just come to Adobe Character Animator, just pick a particular character, but you can actually work on your own mouth shapes, then bring it here to animate. So this is just one of the shortcuts, yes, to do a lip sync animation. So we just wait for that. Okay, so now we are done. So let's try to play this so you can see that. Okay, so here we are in After Effects. So you're working with this already. Okay. So now that I'm done with the lip sync animation, I just need just the mouth part. So I come to rig here. So okay. So Chloe, we can see the head and the body. When you prepare a character for rigging, the way you prepare a character for rigging in After Effects is different from the way you prepare a character for rigging in Adobe Character Animator. So I'm still going to do a tutorial on that, on how to prepare your character for rigging. You prepare it for rigging in Adobe Illustrator first, then you bring it into Adobe Character Animator. So I don't need this body part, so just turn that off. Then the head, of course the mouth, so I turn off every other parts of the head. So this is just a very simple shortcut I use. So now I have just the mouth. So let's go back. So we have just the mouth now. Separated these various elements in Adobe Illustrator. So now we need to. Okay, so now I'm actually saying now as well. All right, so this is a white background and we are going to put this mouth shape. We are taking it and dropping it on another character that we already have. So I need to turn off this and export this in a transparent background. So that is how I do my lip sync animation using Adobe Character Animator. except if maybe among all the characters that we have here in this software, if the mouth shape is not going to fit into my already existing character that I'm working on, then of course I can go ahead and make different mouth shape to do the lip sync animation. But if any of the character here, if any of the mouth shape is going to fit in into the project, into the character I'm already working on, then why not? I save myself the stress and just use this means. So this is my shortcut. So this is how you can achieve a lip sync animation using Adobe Character Animator, saving you a lot of time. So now just go to File, Export. So you export video with Alpha via Adobe Media Encoder. So when you use that, you'll be able to get a transparent background. Okay. So thank you for joining today's tutorial. Please kindly subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.